Multiply mentally. It may be hard to find a product like 4 times 13 mentally, even if you use counters. If you separate the counters into smaller groups called partial products, it is easier to multiply. Find 4 times 13 using counters. To begin, model 4 times 13 by arranging counters in 4 rows and 13 columns. Next, separate 13 into 2 numbers that are each easily multiplied by 4. Now, multiply to find the number of counters in each group. Rewrite 4 times 13 as 4 times 10 plus 4 times 3. This is useful because it is easier to find 4 times 10 plus 4 times 3 mentally than it is to find 4 times 13. So, 4 times 13 is 52.